You ever have one of those days where you just stop for a minute, look around, and realize how far you've actually come? Like today's one of those days for me. I'm standing out here, looking over the blue sky, quiet morning, and it just hit me. A few years ago, my life looked completely different. Divorce, everything falling apart, the kind of situation where you sit at nights wondering, how the hell did I end up with my life here? And you've been through divorce. You know exactly what I'm talking about. It's not just the paperwork. It's not just the separation. It's the identity reset. Everything you thought your future looked like suddenly disappears. And nobody really talks about that part of it. People either want to gossip about that, or they want to give you some motivational quote like, everything happens for a reason. But when you're in the middle of it, it doesn't feel like that. It feels like failure. It feels like embarrassment. It feels like starting life over when you thought you were already halfway through. You know, but here's the thing I didn't realize back then. Divorce can destroy you, or it can rebuild you. And that part is the choice that's not that easy. But a choice for me, I had to start asking myself something uncomfortable, some uncomfortable questions. Who am I actually? What kind of man do I really want to be? And what kind of life do I want to build for myself here? Because everything falls apart. You get strange opportunities. You get to rebuild the entire thing from scratch. And I started doing things I never did before. Journaling, reading, working on my mindset, actually sitting with my own thoughts instead of running from them. And slowly things started changing. Not overnight, not some big dramatic movie moment, just small steps. One better decision at a time. And the days like today remind me why that work matters. Because this moment right here, peace, clarity, space to breathe, that didn't exist in my life before. And I'm not saying everything is perfect. Life never is. But there's something powerful about knowing you rebuilt something in your life intentionally. That's the person you're becoming. Is someone you actually respect. A lot of men go through divorce and they stay stuck in anger, blaming, bitterness, talking about their ex for the next 10 years. And I get it, but that path only keeps you tied to the past. At some point you have to ask yourself, are you going to live in that wreckage or build something new? For me, this view is more than just buildings and sky. It's a reminder life goes on. Opportunities are still out there. Your next chapter hasn't even started yet. And the crazy part, sometimes the life you build after everything falls apart ends up being better than the one that you lost. Not because divorce is good, but because growth is powerful. So if you're watching this and you're in that dark stage right now, the confusion stage we call it, the angry stage, the I have no idea what my future looks like stage, just know this. You're not finished. You're rebuilding. And rebuilding takes time. But one day you'll be standing somewhere like this, looking out at your life and realizing you made it. You made it through the storm. And that might be the moment you finally understand why the reset had to happen.